Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook professional mode if it's not showing. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your profile, just tap on it. Now go ahead over to the very top. You'll be able to see the three dots right here. Just tap on it. Now, if your profile is locked, well, you won't be able to see pro mode right here or professional mode. Alright, so what you'll do if your profile is locked, well, unlock it. Once it's unlocked, you'll be able to see turn on pro mode in this section. That's basically it. Now, if you can't still turn on pro mode or professional mode, well, maybe it's hidden because your profile maybe got an active warning and you cannot access this type of feature. So what you'll do is just go ahead and go to the top. Okay, right here, you'll have profile status. You're going to tap on it right here. And if you can see professional mode or monetization right here that got the red warning, go ahead and tap on it and request a review. All right. And lastly here, your account profile must be registered as 18 years old or older and must be at least 30 days old. All right. Your whole Facebook profile is at least 30 days old and you're actively using it within that range, right? And after that, you can now go ahead and access professional and creator tools. Now, if you want to go ahead and check your date of birth for your account, well, just go ahead over to the top left. Okay, tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings right here. Go ahead over to Meta Account Center, and then profile and personal details. Tap on it. Now you'll have your birthday right here. Just tap on it and change it. Okay. And that is how you fix Facebook professional mode if it's not showing. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.